чобик и почему мы сейчас на паре? Он когда вообще? В среду. А, в среду. Chicken and Fanta for me and my roommate.
What the dog doing?
So guys, I'm done getting ready and it's around 10 a.m. right now. I'm so tired, I just want to sleep. But I have to go and I have only one class today, which is Integrative Thinking Business Studies. And we have like a presentation and I'm one of the presenters. So yeah, and I have only one exam for Korean, which is interview, so it won't take a lot. But I'm kind of nervous, but at the same time, guys told me that this is really easy, so. And I'm planning to study for a long time today because I have to get ready for my Business for Society exam, which is tomorrow.
Okay, say hi. It's Alina before midterm exams. You are done before midterm exams. Fuck you, bro. This is Minan before exams. Do you have?
Accounting. No, I don't have any expectation. Please pass the.
Let you pass. Say amen.
Amen?
Yeah.
Like amen?
Yeah.
Oh, amen.
Are you Buddhist?
No, yeah. Oh, yeah.
You forgot, bro.
It's like, your expectations before the midterm.
I don't care about accounting.
Okay.
I'm not that anxious about economics.
Okay.
Statistics gonna make me cry.
Bet.
What does it mean?
Bet.
Bet.
I know. Milk tea.
Word notebook?
Right. Wait a second.
Let her.
Yeah.
heading to my exam. I'm so scared, but like it's so easy, but I'm so scared. I don't know why I'm so scared. I mean, it was easy, but like, bro, she asked me every single question.
How about you say this?
Let's go.
555.555 550, 550, 550.
555.555.
9 p.m.
Если стейкхолдеры будут не удовлетворены, будут падать акции из-за этого больше.
Look at the graph below and choose an answer that's not true. And those are choosing
Там этой фамилии даже
family
нету.
constitution.
Подними вверх, подними вверх.
Нет, есть, вот смотри. У меня даже она есть. Вот, you want just here, you just...
오늘 일반 손님 안 받는 거 알지? 버스도 여러 개 놔두고 왜 여기서 그러게만 해서 아무튼
안녕하십니까.
Мы написали по сайте.
И чё, как?
Да все нормально вроде.
Да, я думала, будет намного тяжелее. Я только напрягла, это vertical.
Да, вот это меня тоже напрягло. Но я хочу говорить, что уверена, что я написала все правильно, поэтому
Но мне кажется, я
я
нормально.
уверена, что у меня максимум типа 3 ошибки.
Да. Все, я жестко на хату писать аккаунтинг, а потом спать. I was planning to come home and get some sleep because I wanted to skip accounting because like he doesn't even check in attendance and like we don't really do something in classes before because of midterms. I just remembered that I have to submit an assignment for accounting. So it will take me about 2 hours, probably maybe 1.5. I just don't know how big it is. So like I have another exam in like 5 hours, like speaking.
Yeah, year.
Yeah. It's like
Я сегодня свой первый мид. Из трех. И который SW. Нормально. Нормально. У меня завтра main экзамен. По Principles of International Relations. Как писать?
Нормально, типа я после готовилась, мне было норм.
В прошлом семестре, типа, у меня друзья сдавали, говорю, фигня.
Вот эти говорят, что
Они
мне
наоборот
классно.
говорят. Ты брала?
Нет, я буду брать, я буду осенью.
А, все вместе берем.
Да. Следующий.
Все, 안녕.
Ау? Ребята, это причем.
Я удивлен.
Я бы сказала, не
So yeah, I just came back from pre-recording for cortis REDRED and it was amazing. Oh my god. They performed the REDRED like 3 times. First was like a rehearsal, then they performed it again, and then we had many interactions. Like that was so cool because my seat was like second closest to the stage. It was so cool. I could see them like literally so well. Actually, why Kono is so beautiful? Respectfully, but like he's gorgeous. I mean, pictures could never express how like gorgeous he is. He's so handsome. That's crazy. At the end, we had really fun interaction with Joohoon. Like they were leaving, and like the exit was really close to my seat, so I could see everything like perfectly. And when they came to the hall, but like they didn't go to the stage, so they're like wearing their stuff. We could see Martin and we could see other members, but like we didn't scream. That's what I like. We were like, oh. I saw Kono and he was so pretty. And I was like, oh yeah. So we're like saying bye to them. I don't know why, but I thought that Kono was the last one to leave. But after him, there was a Joohoon. So I just turned around, and when I realized that everyone is still screaming, I looked back and I saw Joohoon. I was like, oh my god! And I just screamed. I was like, Joohoon! So there's a door, right? And he left, and then he came back after I screamed. He was like, ah! And he left again. That was so cute. He's so adorable. I mean, they're so tall. For example, like imagine I'm a Martin, right? Joohoon is like this to me, but Joohoon is taller than me, and I'm 164. I realized that Joohoon and Sohyun, they're like the shortest members because Kono and James are like a little bit higher, but Martin is the highest one. That was singing live. That was so cool, especially Joohoon's voice. I was like, whoa. And by the way, I did not skip the school. Like I didn't have classes today because I'm done with my midterms. Like not like really done. I have 2 more. One of them is tomorrow, but it's online, and it's like there's a counting one, but it's like on Wednesday.
맛있어?
아 그래.
тут место, где сало покупать. Я ем.
Будет хорошо, будет вкусно, Дима. Дима, я уверена.
Да?
Ну такое.
По шашлыкам? Пока что
Нормально.
вареная морковка. It's a bit small.
Молодец.
안녕. Нурихан. Нет, по-русски, по-корейски, по-другому. Я Нурихан, салам.
Вопрос был, с кем вы здесь? Давай.
Раз, два, три.
Помаши в камеру.